Let's talk about Roth conversions with no tax impact. This is for your seniors that are on Social Security and have traditional IRAs that are required minimum distributions or RMDs are being taken. Now, who here likes to look at tax returns besides me? What I want to encourage is if your parents, grandparents, or friends will tell you or show you the tax return, it can help you do this with no tax impact on Roth conversions. Here we go. Here's an example. Here you have someone that's going to make about $11,529, but the standard deduction plus the charitable deduction is $28,400. That's almost $17,000 not being used for zero tax. That means in your traditional IRA, after you take the required minimum distribution, you could convert almost $17,000 and pay zero tax. It's $16,871 for those that want to be exact. What this means is you convert $17,000 approximately into a Roth and it grows tax-free. It lowers the RMD for next year, meaning less taxable income. Then you repeat this. If you have a $60,000 traditional IRA, you repeat this for 3 years, you eventually have converted everything to Roth, no more RMDs are required, and you pass down tax-free income to the next generation. If the parents or grandparents pass with a traditional IRA, most kids are going to be in the 22 or 24 or even higher tax bracket, meaning the money they're going to receive as an inheritance is going to be paid out in taxes at a greater rate than what the parents or grandparents can pay. If you wanted to convert more, you could. The additional ones over the standard deduction would at first be taxed at 10% and then higher as you convert more. So you can manage how much you get down to the next generation by looking at the tax return and seeing what's more efficient from a tax perspective. So who does what by when? Who, that's you, does what? Look at the tax return of your parents or grandparents, depending how old they are, and if they're willing to share, to see if you could do some Roth conversions that with minimal or zero tax impact. By when? Next week. And that's bags of money.